So we're here at the Irvine Spectrum. We're in search of Duff Goldman's Charm City cake store. I don't know what it's going to be like, but I'm excited to find out. Well, clearly this place is hopping with people. Wow. Here's the menu. We're looking for Charm City cakes. So it's not called Charm City. It's called Duffs Cakemix. We'll see when we get there. But boy, this place is busy. There's a Ferris wheel. Wow. Duffs Cakemix. There it is, cake mix. Oh, look at this. Cake mix.
There's no store time.
Uh-huh. Well, let's go see what they got.
You're able to come into our studio and decorate your own cakes or cupcakes.
Who teaches the decorating? Or do they not teach decorating?
We're all here to definitely be a helping hand.
But mainly people just do it themselves. Is that what
Yes.
you're saying? You just come in and you get all this stuff and do it.
Also cake and cupcake decorating.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Take care. Well, I'm a little underwhelmed at Duffs Cakemix shop. They don't have professionals that teach you, but you can go in and bring kids and they supply you with things, and I guess you just, it's a free for all. The kids do what they want, you do what you want to the cake. They have no gluten-free anything. So I guess next we have to explore his actual Charm City cake shop in Los Angeles, because we haven't been to that one. They do have a lot of cool things here at the Spectrum. These playgrounds where the kids can play, that's kind of amazing. They didn't have any of these when I was a little kid. It's closed because of COVID, of course. Yep. So we decided to go to the Cheesecake Factory, which is a place we love to eat. More from the Cheesecake Factory in a little bit. Cheesecake Factory. The line for the Cheesecake Factory was an hour-and-a-half wait. And we're hungry and we don't want to wait. So we're going to go somewhere else. See where we end up.